Hi guys, in this video you will learn how to utilize equipment drops for tactical advantage in COD Warzone Mobile. While to do that, prioritize armor. Secure armor plates for equipment drops to increase your survivability in engagements. Upgrade weapons. Swap out your current weapon for a better one found in equipment drops to improve your firepower. Stock up on ammo. Refill your ammunition reserves by picking up ammo drops, ensuring you're fully stocked for battles. Gather tactical gear. Collect tactical equipment like flashbangs and smoke grenades from drops to enhance your tactical options. Replenish lethal gear. Grab grenades or other lethal gear from drops to increase your offensive capabilities. Utilize field upgrades. Equip field upgrades found in drops for tactical advantages, such as UAVs or munition boxes. Upgrade attachments. Swap attachments on your weapons for better one found in equipment drops to optimize your loadout. Secure kill streaks. Find and use powerful kill streaks rewards from drops to gain a strategic edge over your opponents. Gain high grounds. Equip drops as a means to secure high ground for better vantage points and control over the battlefield. Establish a defensive position. Utilize equipment drops to fortify defensive position with barricades or other defensive gear. Disrupt enemy movement. Drop tactical equipment like call troops or decoys to disrupt enemy movements and create distractions. Signal for support. Deploy smoke grenades from drops to signal for air support or to obscure enemy vision during engagements. Coordinate with teammates. Share equipment drops with your teammates to ensure everyone has access to essential resources. Set traps. Use equipment drops strategically to set traps for unsuspecting enemies, such as proximity mines or claymores. And that's how to utilize equipment drops for tactical advantage in COD Warzone Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.